Hi guys, this is Dr. Adam Roussel, Riverbend Family Chiropractic in Destrehan, and we have our patient here, Randy. Randy's been suffering with lower back pain and neck pain for how long, Randy?
About 6 to 8 months now. It's been bothering me lately, and come and see Dr. Adam and see what he can do for me.
All right, let's give him an adjustment, okay? So let's go face down, Randy. Just check your leg length out here. And everything looks good there. So go ahead and keep this leg straight and extend the hip up as high as you can go. Okay, and then just do the left side. How does that feel? Is one side tougher than the other?
No.
It feels good from side to side?
Yeah.
All right, go back to center. Let me just see if there's some motion in your lower back here. Sacrum. And you have some spring there. So lay on your right side, face me this way. And you're gonna bend this leg here. Keep that bottom leg straight. And just grab here, just relax here. I'm gonna adjust your lower back here. There you go. Let's go to the other side. You felt that pop? Alright, and then bend there, keep that bottom leg straight. Cross here, relax. There you go, there's another pop. Let's go on your back. I'm gonna pull these legs here, just relax. Relax this leg totally. Felt that release?
Mm-hmm.
In your lower back and your hip, huh? Same thing here, relax. That was a nice one there. All right, so go ahead and scoot down just a little bit. Actually sit up just a little bit. Cross your arms, cross that left over the top. Tuck your chin, and let's go back. I'm gonna adjust right in here. Take a deep breath in, let it all the way out. There you go. And then scoot back just a little bit. Let's adjust your neck. Relax here. Tight, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, just relax. Right here, relax that neck totally. There you go. Same thing here, relax. There you go. Come on up, Randy. How's that feel?
Better.
That's better?
Yes, sir.